Car Shipping Rolling Hills, California Premium Auto Transport. As part of maintaining its equestrian character, Rolling Hills has wide streets that have no traffic lights. The rural city is heavily guarded, making it a great place to live and raise a family for those planning to relocate to California. A One Auto Transport has the tools and transport trailers to haul your vehicle to the city when making a permanent move or visiting the area. Our truck drivers are always ready to move vehicles of all sizes and models to the 50 states in the U.S. including Alaska. We offer comprehensive vehicle moving packages that comprise of transport, insurance, and satellite tracking features for the benefit of those shipping with us. A One Auto Transport covers the entire Rolling Hills with its services, which include road, sea, and air transportation. Shipping cars to or from Rolling Hills is often done using open and enclosed trailers which accommodate single and multiple units. Our drivers use the available transportation routes, which are mainly county roads that cut across the city on every side. Also, we move vehicles out of the 3.0 square mile area by sea and air depending on the final destination. If you need your car moved to the nearby cities such as Ranchos Palos Verdes and Rolling Hills Estates in the northern side, we can do it on your behalf at a pocket-friendly rate. Still have questions about affordable auto transport company? And make your move to Rolling Hills as stress-free and cost-effective as possible. Call us at 1-888-230-9116.